Hi, my name is Josh Mullinger. I'm the marketing intern here at Catalysis. In front of me, we've got the 3D printed tool for foam part manufacturing. Getting into some details about this, on the inside here, we have a smooth 50RA surface finish. And we utilize a devcon seal with ribbon vents. And these clamps here utilize 2,000 pounds of holding force. As well, we have shock absorbers on the front and some alignment pins as well. As you can see on the back here, we have integral hinges and hard stops as well. So when forming, this will be thrown into a convection oven and to be heated. Once it's done, it will be used in low volume production. Thank you for joining today's internship training at Catalysis. If you are interested in any foam part manufacturing or tooling in general, please reach out via the website.